our Windstar vacation, although the staff told us that we're lucky already without hitting any storm or anything, it was very bad for us. We don't get motion sickness often, actually never with all our cruises experience, but with Windstar, something was really off. In the beginning, we were at one end of the ship and we felt so sick that actually they had to upgrade us to the middle of the ship, and it was a slightly bigger room. So here again is another tour of the stateroom of Windstar. Hope you enjoy it.
So this is Windstar cruise ship room tour, level 2, right at the middle of the ship. Because this is a smaller boat, it's going to be a bit more wobbly than normal. So depending on how you are, I really strongly encourage you to not be at the front. Try and stick to the middle where it's more stable. And as you see, once we enter, there's actually two doorways. One, if you guys actually know each other, it's kind of nice added feature that you can have another added door. So if you shut this door, you guys are going to get complete privacy between the two pairs, or a family of 4. It's definitely a nice feature, nice touch. The room basically pretty simple because this is a refurbished ship of Seabourn. It's big space. I think this is approximately 300 square feet, and you're gonna get a decent living area, and then you're gonna get a nice window. With his fingers, singing my life with his words. We're at transit right now. It's actually quite wobbly, but this room is definitely a lot better than the other room that we were just in. So you're gonna get a little mini bar here with the glass, with the water, and there's a fridge in here. The alcohols are paid, but the non-alcoholic drinks are free. So the top aisle there. And then the bed is quite comfortable, standard. There's a TV, there's a phone. The lighting here, they did try to put a bit of effort, but as you can see, it's quite old style in the sense that you feel like this is pretty much the original.
So all in all, I would consider Windstar a basic cruise, nothing luxurious. If you can get it for under $100 US per day or even less than 60, I would say go for it. It does provide you, spacious living area. It provides you decent food. However, if you're looking for entertainment on board, things to do, this might not be the place for you. And depending on what you're looking for as well, this does provide a little bit of an older demographic. So if you want more fun atmosphere, younger crowd, try Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, Princess. Those might be the cruise line that might suit you better. I hope my video gave you a good sense of what to expect for Windstar. If you're interested in other cruise line like Viking, Celebrity, or Norwegian, do check out my channel. See you soon!